Right, again, we're doing the last stage, so we're almost full here. I'm going to add the chlorine into it now, which is in this tub. So if you look at my last video, it's just me mixing. No, I'll do this one, mate, just because it's a stronger dose. So we're going to add the chlorine in. So that's a good, strong dose of chlorine. And then we're going to fire up the machine now as well to get that up and running. So bear me a second, I haven't turned it on. Right, there we go. So what we're going to do is just turn on the heating element, which is just going off the instructions here. We've got the water filter button, which needs to be on. Hang on. For some reason it likes a little time to set. So I'm going to do that because that's now filtering the chlorine. So when you add the chlorine, it says to have the filter on. Now it takes up to 11 to 12 hours for it to warm, so what we're doing, we're going to let that filter for a bit, and then we're going to add the temperature on. Now to add the to set the temperature, it's a matter of, let me just double check, we're just turning on this button, and then you can adjust with the timer to set your level, how long you want it heating for, so you can tie it in with having it ready for the evenings or whatever you want to do. So once you've done that, so use the button to activate the heating system. So I'm just reading off as we talk about it. So the power saving button, which is the timer clock there, that's to set the duration. So press that button so when you press it, that will flash, then you adjust your time up and down, and then set the number of hours from now when the heater will activate. So I can leave that now to so if I'm say putting it on in the morning, that's going to be ready for the evening, so on and so forth, and then you can maintain it from there. I think that's pretty much it. To modify the timer settings, press that button and adjust. Timer adjustment, amount of the time of the heater on may be set from 1 to 999 hours. And yeah, that's it. So it's basically just getting it tied in with when you're going to want it. But yeah, that's it. So simple. So this is a really handy little system here. You can get it when you're setting. I won't do the function with the bubbles yet, just because it's not fully full up. With this system, you got a little cup holder as well, so that's an excellent little system. So far so good. I'm really pleased with it. It's taken a very short amount of time to get it up and running. Ashton got it up, inflated in 5 minutes. All in all, it's taken, what time is it now? Let me just double check. Excuse me, Ash. It's taken less than an hour to get it pretty much full up. The actual spa itself went together in, what do we reckon, Ash? 15 minutes?
Yeah, sort of like
about 15, half an hour say, and it's up and running. Ash, you wanted to add some bits. What was that?
So it can go up to 5 to 7 people.
So this model is up to 5 to 7 people. Yeah.
And you can go up, and maximum temperature is 40 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
And heating bubbles massage.
This has heating, so we're going to heat up to 40. And this model has the air jet, doesn't it? So I won't show that yet, but maybe on another one I'll show it once it's fully up and running. And then you were going to say there's a few things you can add to it, can't you? Like a canopy and all that sort of thing. I did mention in the last video we found out the other section that you blow up is for the lid, so that's in there now. The last thing I forget to mention is, and the chap in the shop told me, was it's a 12-month warranty from as you take it out of the shop. You need to register it online within 28 days to get the full 24-month warranty. So make sure you go ahead and do that, because otherwise it won't be valid. So yeah, go ahead and do that. I am very happy with this so far. It's a really good size. Ash has set up a stool and feet washing area there for the kids. What we will look into is possibly some blow up seats to put in there, so when you're sat in, but otherwise it's a great size, isn't it, Ashton? You're looking forward to getting in there. Now I've done the chlorine, and there's a video about the chlorine. I've put what they call a commissioning dose in, so we're going to check that now in a couple hours time. We need to maintain it at a certain level, and then we have to wait till it drops down to a good amount for obviously a human to go in there and not get affected. So it's between 3 and 5 milligrams. The sticks that come with the starter pack, you can test it and it will tell you when it's good to go. But so that's what I'm going to say. Although it's quick to set up, it will take a day before it's all up and running, before we can use it. All right, that's any sign off, mate?
Thank you for watching our video.
And
Like and subscribe.
Yes, perfect.
And comment down below
for
anything extra we could put on our hot tub.
Yeah, or if you want any more questions or answers. Hopefully we're not. I mean, we're a couple novices that's done it, and as you can see that through the video, we've just set it up as and filmed it as we've gone, and it's gone well so far, isn't it? We had some extra bits we didn't know what to do with, but I think we've worked out in the end. So yeah, I'm pleased so far, and we'll keep you posted with it all. So thanks again, guys. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the other side.